Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, for your participation in the class, you are welcome. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am your new English teacher. My name is Muhammad Nurun Nabi Azad. This is my first class for the students of class 10. I am going to discuss the story of Lipi, which has been told by Miss Chaudhary from your EFT Unit 4, Lesson 4. After completing the lesson, you will be able to know what are the demerits of early marriage. You will be able to know what steps will you take to prevent early marriage. Please listen the story. The year before last, at the age of 14, Lipi was in class 9 in a rural school in Rangpur. Lipi is the eldest of 5 children, 3 daughters and 2 sons. Their father is a day laborer working on others people's land, and mother is a homemaker and a part-time worker on others people's home. The parents, particularly mother, found it real difficult to raise 5 children on the small income the father could earn. That is why Lipi's father wanted to marry her off, but Lipi was not ready to accept what her parents wanted to impose on her. She wanted to pursue her education when her father arranged her marriage with Taramia, the only son of a farmer in the same village. She became greatly upset. Taramia was a widower, illiterate but well off. His father had a few acres of arable land and was influential in the village, so the marriage seemed to be inevitable. All the time Lipi was thinking, what steps will she take to solve the problems? At first, Lipi talked about the matter with her classmates and then with the head teacher, who was very sympathetic to her. The head teacher called a meeting of the teachers and students of the school. He invited the members of the managing committee. Some respectable person of that locality attended the meeting. In that meeting, the head teacher explained in details the serious consequences that would follow her marriage. She would be having children from her earliest 15 or 16. It would be create constant health hazards to her. Her education would stop. Against her marriage, against her will, might shatter her future dream. At one stage, Taramia's father stood up and tried to argue. You are all making mistakes. Lippy would be very happy if she got married with Taramia. She would get everything: money, shelter, clothes, and status in the society. Why are you trying to deprive her of this opportunity? But no, the majority of the people who attended the meeting supported the head teacher, so the marriage was called off. Now, Lippy is studying at Carmichael College, Rangpur. Listen the topic again and again to understand clearly. Be safe, be alert, take care of your health. Thanks for all.